Thank you. We have another question from Taylor.
Yeah.
How do you see the rollout of the vaccine affecting the market? Is there something we should do to prepare for market changes that come up as things open up more?
Yeah, the vaccine is actually the story for the most part. I mean, if you take a look at what's happening in Europe, for example, they're way behind the US and the UK in rolling out the vaccine. And now they've got these new variants, which are more contagious, and they keep closing down. So we saw close downs in, all over Europe. France has been closed down and what have you. So that has impacted the market negatively, even here, because, it is a global picture. Having said that, in my opinion, all of that stuff is going to be worked out, and we're going to see a reopening like nothing probably we've ever seen before. So, we've never seen a pandemic in our lifetimes. But I think the pent up demand, the number of dollars that have been saved last year that didn't get spent, that are going to be spent this year, is going to be incredible. And what they're calling epicenter stocks, and these are stocks that have been negatively affected by the virus, that need the virus to be under control to really take off. I mean, Disneyland and Disney World are examples, restaurants, hotels, all of these things that, have been impacted. I think you want to be invested in those areas because there are now cut back their costs dramatically just to survive. I mean, airlines had a 96% drop in their airline miles, so they had to cut back to survive. And now at the big push, American Airlines just said they were only 10% below where they were, at the beginning of the pandemic right now. And I think they're going to go way above that just because, again, there's lots of pent-up travel demand that's going to happen. So the vaccine is the key, the rollout of that, the smoothness of that, how fast that happens. It's not just here in the U.S., but worldwide. So, yeah, it's a really good question.